Hello everyone. Today we are going to review this sticker book from Pipsticks and Workmen. It is called So Many Planner Stickers. It has 2600 stickers and this is specially for your planners. So let's get into the video. This book is about 50 pages and each page has 52 stickers. So that is how there is 2600 stickers in this book. So let's start a flip through of this book. So the first page, I think the theme is vacation. Very nice. And each and every page or the theme is actually written on the back. So this I really liked about this book is each and every page has a theme. So if you are going for a vacation, you know that you'll open a vacation page. The next page is again a travel page. Then is a me time page.
So as you can see, there is nice fuzzy slippers and there are some stickers which says relax, and each and everything has different colors, so you can use different colors. Then you have a self-care sticker. Then you have unplug stickers. So this is pretty nice.
Then you have BFF, so your time with your best friends.
So there is movies, there is BFF, there are some nice margarita glasses, there's coffee chat. So pretty nice. And just one thing that I noticed which is very cool. So the coffee chat, there are 3 pictures and there are different colors of these pictures. So I really appreciate that as well. Actually 4 pictures and 2 different colors.
Then you have a movie time or a binge watch time.
So you have different kinds of popcorn. Then there are remotes. Some say chill, some don't say chill on the remotes.
Then there are general celebration stickers, various colors, so you can have themes for various pages. Then you have a specific birthday page. Then you have general gift pages, so if you want to plan a gift for someone or if you want to mark some other special day, this is pretty cool. Then you have a date night page. Then you have a girls night in or girls night out page. Then you have just a simple occasion pages.
So there could be a wedding in your family or friends, there could be a bachelorette that you're celebrating or baby shower. So this covers pretty much all the key things that you need to celebrate for. So a bridal shower, an engagement ring, etc, etc.
Then you have a reminder page.
So this is very cute. It has this little finger with a bow on it. Then you have some more clipboards with don't forget on it. So this is reminders, so things that you really want to keep in notice. This page will come in handy.
Then you have your regular nail and hair appointment page. Then you have a doctor's appointment page, so dentist or a doctor appointment page. And then a ton of appointment stickers, sick day stickers. Then you have payday stickers, bills due stickers, rent due stickers. Then you have adulting stickers. So this is pretty cool. Then you have work stickers, so work late, some laptops.
So on the laptops, work late is written only on a few stickers. Rest other are just laptops. I can use this for other decoration purposes also.
Then you have tea and coffee stickers. Then you have time off or day off stickers. So
you'll have a lot of day offs here with different motifs. Then you have TGIF. Then you have out of office stickers, vacation stickers. This is pretty useful.
Then you have just a few random telephones, vintage telephones,
which you can use to mark reminders so that you can make that call or make that appointment on the phone.
Then you have general meeting stickers for your work, so meetings, conferences. So I think these are nerding out stickers, so a lot of glasses, book club, books, highlighters, all of that. Then you have a bunch of outdoor activities and workout stickers. So there is a bicycle, there's a yoga mat and yoga mats in various different colors, workout shoes, all of that. Some more workout gear, but I think this is more to do with gym. So you have a gym bag and water bottle and whatnot. Then you have a bunch of food stickers. So these are breakfast, lunch, dinner, lunch date, breakfast date, brunch, all of that will be here. And again, there are different fonts for everything. So your planner will not look mundane with the same kind of stickers. So I really appreciate that as well. Then you have actual food stickers, all of that. Oh, more food stickers. So you have lunch, burrito wrap. So not everything is written lunch. Some just has salad bowls and written nothing, and some has salad bowls and lunch written on it. So this is very useful. You can actually mark your lunch hour if you are time blocking. Then you have bunch of dinner stickers. Again, not everything has dinner written on it. Some of these like pizza slices here don't have dinner written on it. Similarly is the case with the tacos. Some tacos have dinner written on it, some don't. And these are just simple planner stickers, so you can, if you want to time block times for just planning, I think these stickers will come in handy. Oh, this is so cute. Now these are cleaning stickers, and all different things in different colors, so the same stickers will have different colors. Then you have laundry stickers. Then you have a bunch of stationery pages. Wow, this is just a few call outs. So it says it is what it is, nailed it, shenanigans, crushed it, nope, whatever. So something that whatever you feel that day, you can actually stick that sticker there. So this is very nice. Oh, this is so cute. I think this is when you accomplish something, you can give one sticker to yourself and reward yourself.
I kept my cool, I didn't overspend, I recycled something, I said no, I danced my heart out, made an overdue phone call, appreciated the sunset. Oh, this is so nice. I would really want to do these things and award myself these little stickers. Took a walk. This is brilliant.
And this is just mark your good day stickers, if I'm not wrong. So you have feeling lucky, the best day ever, sprinkles on the top, walking on sunshine. So this is just good day sticker. And then you have the bad day sticker to complement it. So bad day, broken heart, bad hair day.
And this I really loved. Definitely half empty. Yeah, there are days that I feel that.
Oh, these are very discreet period stickers. So if you want to mark your period days, you can use these stickers without anybody knowing that these are for your period days. This is also nice. Then you have a few seasonal stickers. So you can mark sunshine days, rainy days, snowy days, all of that. Then you have a bunch of seasonal stickers again. So there is sweater, there is umbrella, there is little cacti, all of that. So I think these are proper seasonal stickers. Then you have the entire page with rainbows because nobody has enough rainbows. Oh, then you have a little page of hydrate stickers. And I think these are just markers that you can use for your planners. If you want to mark something important, you can use these stickers. Oh, this is very interesting. These are cancelled event stickers. So if something is cancelled, you can actually use this to mark that. And then there is a bunch of stars. Nobody has enough stars. Then you have smiley faces. So there is a happy face, there's a sad face, there's a neutral face. So pretty nice. Oh wow, these are bunch of things. If I'm not sure if you can see this. These are bunch of little hearts and triangles here that you can use. This is very nice. And then you just have simple washi tape stickers. Now these are just rectangular stickers. I'm not sure if this is focusing. These are just simple rectangular stickers that you can use. And I think this is the end of it. Yes, this is all end of it. This is how the back of the book looks like. And it's a pretty pink spine of the book. I really like the spine of the book. So yeah, this is it. This is the flip through of the Pipstick and Workmen sticker book. Now this retails for around 1,000 rupees. Whenever there is a sale on Amazon, it generally retails at about 725 rupees, and that I've tracked this for days and I realized that is the best price. If you get it lower than that, please do let me know. But the MRP for this is 1,000 rupees, and I think this is one of the best sticker books that I've seen in the Indian markets. One of the other sticker books that I own is from Space and Beauty. One of the complaints that I had with that book is it did not have themes to each page, and this really solves my issue. Plus, this and that book pretty much costs the same price. That has 1000 stickers and it has more decorative stickers, whereas this has more practical stickers. So I really appreciate this book and I'm going to use this in 2021 very extensively. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope you're liking the planner content that we are making for this channel. I'll really appreciate if you give a moment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye now.